manufacturing the end cap of this air filter because Kubota wants over $100 for it. And so I did order that like $8 dust valve, unloader valve, or whatever they call it. And I'm using this, not the biggest Folger can, but the next size. And it fits just about perfect right over the other half. I cut my hole that will fit in that little PVC, maybe an inch PVC pipe, but it fits right on the right diameter for that. Oh no, what it was that was a filler neck from a Tecumseh gas tank, which is just perfect plastic gas tank. And then I'm gonna make my hole and Dremel it out, and then use the plastic welder to fuse it in place. Of course, I'm going to use the purple primer to soften up the plastic areas before I put on the plastic weld from Permatex. And that dried within a couple of minutes, and was able to complete the project and let it dry. While I was going to figure out how to get it around the back or the other end. And what I ended up doing, I tried to use several wires and stuff like that to kind of put in place, which I probably could have cut out a little piece and then zip tied it. But what I ended up doing was just ended up putting some clear silicone around it. And, because that's going to be a good, those filters should do good for a while. And here, the new assembly came in for the filter, and including the spring, the O-ring, the whole assembly came in and did that. Okay, and now we're working on trying it out. We've put in all the hydraulic fluid, and I used the Tractor Supply Hydro-Trans fluid for premium, $40, 5 gallon, and made sure that the sight glass showed full. And we're trying it out for the first time, and we do get an up movement, but unfortunately, which kind of scared me a little bit, no down movement. And so I worked a long time on that, and eventually get to the point where I find out that it's that speed control. I just need to unscrew that out and allow it to release the pressure, and it goes down. And so at the end, I'm actually standing on it, and it's lifting me up and it's putting me down. And here, and it's going to lift up. Lifts up, but it's not going down. I'm trying to help it. Still not. I don't want to, force it and break something. So I'm trying to be extra careful about it. Okay, here I'm actually turning on the speed adjustment on it, and I guess I'm finding out that it is actually going down maybe. I think also I attempted to kind of thinking maybe there was some error in the system, opening the 3 screws to the valve body, but yeah, now right here I'm actually tightening up those screws. That did seem to help as well. And up and down. And I think I'm about ready to see if it will lift me up. And it does. And in fact, it worked great. I have attached to it right now a brush cutter.